Happy morning, children. This is continuation class of arithmetic. That is to find the sum of first n positive odd integers. In the previous concept, we have covered the sum of first n natural numbers, and then we covered the sum of first n even integers. Now we are returning to the sum of first n positive odd integers. So you must be knowing the positive odd integers means the Sn sum to n terms will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. like that. The nth term of an odd number will be 2n minus 1. Please learn this, children, because nth term of an odd integer is 2n minus 1. Because you keep any value for n here, you are going to get odd number. For example, let me say n is 1. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got the first integer, first odd integer. Or if we apply in the place of n2, let me check out now. So 2 to the 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. You got the second odd number. The third odd number is 5. You can check here. Third odd number means in the place of in write 3. So 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Like that. 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. It's like that you are going to get the odd numbers only. 1 plus 3 plus 5. So nth term of odd number is 2n minus 1. Now here, let us apply the AP formula. So what it says, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So let us keep n by 2 as it is into a plus l. A is nothing but 1 plus l. L means the last term. Last term it is 2n minus 1. See, n by 2 and a plus is the formula. So n by 2 are kept as it is. A means the first term 1 plus L means the last term is 2n minus 1. I explained already how to get the last term of odd integers. So you can cancel 1 and 1 here. So get 2n into n. It is 2n square divided by 2. So you can cancel this 2 to get Sn is equal to n square. See how simple it is now. For example, let me check out these values for other numbers. For example, in the place of n, if you write 1, it is S1. S1 means sum of one odd number. Sum of one odd number means 1 only. So here also we will be keeping 1 only. So 1 square. 1 square means 1 ones are 1. Now let us see sum of two odd numbers. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is how much, children? 1 plus 3 is 4. How many terms you have taken? 2 terms. So S2 will be equal to 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2, it is 4. Now let me take out the 3 terms. See 1, 2, 3, 3 odd numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, it is 9. So here S3 is equal to 3 square. 3 square means 9. And so on, you can go on calculating. Now let me do few sums related to this. Okay, children, if we generalize this, that is sum of first 5 odd integers. Sum of first 5 odd integers means 5 square, or it is nothing but 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Or sum of first 10 odd integers. 10 odd integers means 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. Again 10 tens are 100. So sum of first 17 odd integers. Again it is 17 odd integers means 17 square. So 17 into 17. So if we multiply 17, we will be getting 289. See, this sum also can be done from long method, that is as usual AP method or shortcut method, or directly you can apply what is this odd integer formula. See children, recently when compared with the previous classes and today's class, we are totally 3 to 4 formulas we have put. We revise once again and afterwards we go to textual steps. Yes children, here is a sum. Find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. In the bracket I have written Gauss, G-A-U-S-S. So the name of the great mathematician, he has solved this sum at the age of 10 years. This is the history was collected from textbook. I repeat, the sum was find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. At the age of 10 years, Gauss was a great mathematician. He was solved this sum immediately it seems. He did his own method, but now it is very easy to do for us. Because now we already know the formulas and all. See here, first 100 natural numbers means it is just 100. So before that you write down the formula. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Because try to understand first natural numbers. First natural numbers means you have to apply the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So we have 100 here. So yes, 100 will be equals to n means 100 into n plus 1, 100 plus 1 means 101 by 2. So which is, if we cancel this 2 and 50 times we will go. Hold this 0 as it is, 5 ones are 5, again 0, 5 ones are 5. So sum of first 100 natural numbers is equal to 5050. See, this question was asked in the multiple choice long back. Which among the following is the mathematician who founded the sum of first 100 natural numbers? Their names were given. Option A, Archimedes. Option B, Pythagoras. Option C, Newton. Option D, Gauss, like that. So we must know the sum was solved initially from the great mathematician Gauss. So by using this technique, see how easily you found it now. But in the 17th century, Gauss was solved directly. 17th century in the sense, before 200 years ago or 300 years ago, it was solved by this. Now we are playing the same. See children, like this you must know how to solve the sums. Okay children, now see till these days, here is the list of formulas, what are the formulas we have proved and what are the sums we did related to that. So till now or in the previous classes, what are the sums we did? We used the same formula somewhere here or there. But the first one is, it's just a revision of your formulas you can say. This is sum of n terms of NAP. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula also, so many sums we solved by this method. Sum of n terms of NAP Sn n by 2 into a plus l when the last term is provided in the AP. See, the first two terms are given as n terms of NAP, n terms of NAP. Be careful children. That is different from these formulas. And here we have sum of first n positive integers. See this first n positive, this most important words. First n positive integers, Sn means n into n plus 1 by 2. n positive integers we did so many sums already. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus like that dot till any terms. You can do many sums related to that. Similarly, we come to this sum of first n positive even integers. So even integers in the sense only 2, 4, 6 like that. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 like that. So you can apply n into n plus 1 formula. Similarly, last one is what? Sum of first n positive odd integers is Sn again, which is equal to n square. See, the last two what we did. This we can do by one line answer. In the question only answers will be there like that you can solve. Question and answer together. Means 5 lines means 5 question and answers in 5 lines. See the last one also. Sum of first n positive odd integers. This also 5 lines, 5 question answers. That is for practice. But in the examination point, while doing, you try to apply the formula and get it. Because if it is asked for multiple choice and all, you can apply and get the answer directly. But the multiple choice are short answers. You must be in a position to answer by using the correct formula. Okay, children. Now here it is the last concept of AP and which carries 1 mark only. The question is here, this is most important. A is equal to Sn minus 1. Now let me understand how this term came. So Sn is equal to sum of n terms of NAP. Sum of n terms is, children, you must be knowing. First term is nothing but A1, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term A4. Like that you can go on writing till the last term, that is An. So An is the nth term. Behind this, one less. For example, you can see here A3 is there. So A3 to A2 you will get 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. If you come reverse, you are going to reduce 1. See, for example, 3 is here. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Like that. That concept if you apply here, n is there. Behind this, n minus 1. Behind this, n minus 2. So like that the terms will be there. Let me explain once again how to write this term. So Sn is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dot 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 plus An minus 2 plus An minus 1 plus An. If you go to higher standard, still it is there like this. That is plus An plus 1, An plus 2, An plus 3. But we don't want time being. Where the concept ended with the nth term. So here An is there here. Okay, children. See, An is equal to Sn. Please try to understand. Here An is there. An is equal to Sn. That only I written. An is equal to Sn we are written. Now these terms are not considered till here. That is An is equal to Sn we are written. But from here to here we are not considered only. So that what is that you must be knowing. So if you subtract all these, right, that is nothing but A1, A2, A3 is nothing but sum to n minus 1 terms. That is, if you shift that side, it becomes minus Sn minus 1. N minus 1 is nothing but here. So if you want to get the nth term of NAP, nth term of AP is nothing but the difference of sum to n terms and the sum to n minus 1 terms that we are written in words. I repeat, children, An is nothing but Sn minus 1. The words is here. An is nothing but nth term of NAP is the difference. Difference means minus. Difference of what? Sum to first n terms Sn and the sum to first n minus 1 terms. This is the multiple choice questions, children. So many times we are asking the examination for 1 mark. So please concentrate on this type of question and keep in touch. We'll see what question to do next time. Okay, sir, here is the next question now. Again, it's taken from textual sum. Till now, what we did, many questions which are not there in the textbook. It's a concept related. Now we are again entering to textual concepts. Let us find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. The question is clear. 0 and 50, they are even numbers, you must be knowing. So in between that you are going to get many odd numbers. So that is the question here. So find the sum of, sum means you must be knowing yes. Sum of n means n stands for number of terms, children. It may be natural number, it may be integers, it may be the terms of AP, it may be odd numbers, it may be even numbers, depends. Anyhow, here it is odd number because the question is clear odd number. So Sn is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 up to the last term is, see, 0 and 50. 50 is an even number, you must be knowing. So behind that 49 will be there. This is the ending last odd numbers between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50 means Sn is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 up to 49. Now here you can get that number. So Sn is nothing but how many terms are there, you can find out, or you can write AP formula directly. Anyhow, it is Sn is equal to number of three. Last term is 49. That is An is 49, and n by 2 formula can apply. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. N by 2 means number of terms, which is not given here. So you have to find out the number of terms. You have to find the number of terms by using the formula An. An is equal to 49. A means nth term. That is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 49. Or a means 1 plus n we don't know minus 1 and the difference is 2, you must be knowing, because 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, like that 7 minus 5 is 2. So like that the difference is 2, which is equal to 49. Now 1 is there, transposed to right hand side. So it is n minus 1 into 2 as it is. N minus 1 into 2 equals 49 minus 1. 1 is there, if you shift it become minus 1. So n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 49 minus 1 means 48. You can cancel this, children, here. Or divide by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here also divide by 2. That's the method. Or you can cancel here. 2 ones are 224. That is n minus 1 into 1. 1 you can leave it. So n minus 1 is equal to 24. So shift minus 1 to this side, become plus 1. N is equal to 24 plus 1. So n is equal to 25. It means 25 is there. Now Sn is nothing but S25. S25 is nothing but it's odd numbers. Odd numbers means n square. That is 25 into 25 is nothing but 625. Or like that you can do. Or the sum is ended here. We are going to solve another method. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So which is equal to n by 2 means n is we have 25. Number of terms is 25 by 2 into a plus l. A means the first term, it is 1, plus l. L means the last term, it is 49. So you will be getting 25 by 2 hold as it is into, say, 49 plus 1, it is 50. Or you can cancel these 2 ones are 2 25s. Say 25 into 25 is nothing but again 625. And directly you can write here after getting the nth term. Be careful, children. These are the methods and logics. Method must be applied to odd numbers. You cannot apply this n square concept to even numbers or the sum related to AP like that. This should be applied only when odd numbers concept is asked. Other methods also have shown. So please understand it. After understanding it, which method you feel comfortable, check. Please practice it and do the sums. For example, here 0 and 50 I had given. Instead of 0 and 50, you can take 0 and 100, 0 and 70, 0 and 30, 0 and 50, 0 and 100, 0 and 100, like that, anything. Just to change, but don't change these words. That is, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and some other number you can take and try to solve it. So you will be getting the answers. You can check with this method as well as this method to develop the confidence. Okay children, here is the next question for today. Again, this sum was taken from the textbook. You can see here, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to the students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. This is the question given. In the previous classes we did one sum. You might have remembered, children. To write this sum, full board we have taken. But to solve the sum again, less than that place was sufficient. It means you should know, after reading the question, the sum is related to which chapter, and you must analyze it. Yes, the chapter, the concept related to AP. But now we are discussing AP, will be concept of AP. But after finishing all the portions, many questions will be the statement sums like this. So you must know how to classify it, how to identify it. After identifying, you should know it is only related to AP and analyze it and try to solve. Let me see how can we solve this sum. Anyhow, here it is given a sum of rupees 700. It means total amount is 700 rupees. It should be distributed to students. It is given here to the students of the school for their overall academic performance.
Where is the last session?
Okay children, now see, total amount it is given here 700 rupees. So one more condition is given. Each price is reducing by 20 rupees. It means if the first price is given as 100 rupees, next will be 20 rupees less, means 80 rupees. Next price is 20 rupees less, means 40, like that. But if you add all together, you must get 700. So let me check how to write it in AP. It means here that is SN or A. The first price is A, imagine like that. So A. The second one is what? A minus 20. See, 20 less than this. Again, plus A minus 40. You know why it is A minus 40, children? Because A minus 20 is here. Again 20 less. Means minus 20 minus 1, A minus 40. This is third price. Like that, we don't know how many prices are there. Up to n. The total is how much? 700 rupees. The total is given 700 rupees. First price is A, second price is A minus 20, and third price is A minus 40, like that. The last term, our total is 700. So last term also we don't know here. So that only have to find out how many price we can give. Or first price how much, second price how much, like that you can find. Here it is given, children, 7 cash prizes. Means up to 7 terms, which is equal to 700. Up to 7 terms, because it's given here 7 cash prizes. It means first one is A, second term is A minus 20, then that 7th term you find out. The 7th term means what? That is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. 7th term is A7, the last term. A7 is equal to A means A only let it be, plus N means 7 minus 1. Difference, be careful children, difference is minus 20. Because the second prize, third prize, fourth prize like that, the amount is going to reduce by 20. Anyhow it is A7, 7th prize amount is A. Say 7 minus 1 means 6 into minus 20. So it is nothing but A7 is equal to A minus 120. This is the 7th prize amount. First prize amount is A, second prize A minus 20, third prize A minus 40, fourth prize A minus 60, fifth prize A minus 80, sixth prize A minus 100, seventh prize A minus 120. We got like this. Now altogether if you add, how much you must get? The total is given here 700. It means SN is equal to 700 rupees is given. And when I apply the formula, SN formula is what? N by 2 into A plus L is equal to 700. N means here in this sum, it is given already 7 cash prizes. Means 7 students will be getting prizes for the academic performance. That is 7 by 2 into A. A means the first term it is A itself. Plus last term is the 7th term. A minus 120. Which is equal to 700. See, just one step to another step. As much as possible, go on reducing the steps. You can cancel here 7 and 100. Please learn this, because divide by 7 means 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So here also divide by 7 means 700, sir. Like that. Now in the next step you will be getting A plus A. A plus A means it is 2A. Minus 120 is there. So A plus A is 2A. Minus 120. Whole over 2 is there. Is equal to 100. It means 2A by 2 means it is A. I am continuing here, children. 2A by 2 is A. So minus 120 by 2 is, it is 60. Will be equal to 100. That is 2A by 2 is A, minus 120 by 2 is 60, is equal to 100. Now shift this minus 60 to that side. So A is equal to 100 plus 60, which is nothing but 160. Or else, if you have any confusion in this, see children, A plus 8 is 2A minus 120. So 2 into 100 means 200 it becomes. If you transfer 200 there, that also do. Ultimately you must get A is equal to 160. You can apply your own method here. This is called expanding the terms. It is left to your idea how you are going to do. Okay children. Now this is the conclusion, children, how to conclude. So the question was asked for you in that is, find the value of each prize. So to conclude, value of each prize is, first prize amount, it is rupees 160. We got A as 160 now children in the previous. So that is the first prize amount, rupees 160. And second prize, so it should reduce by 20 rupees. Means 160 minus 20 is 140. Third prize, again reduce 20 rupees from this, that is 120 rupees. Fourth prize, again reduce 20 rupees, so we will be getting 100 rupees. Fifth prize, 100 minus 20, 80. like that 60 and 40. So totally 7 prize is given in the sum itself. So 700 rupees should be distributed among 7 students, it was given in the sum. So prize amount is also given, and how it is going to reduce also given. Ultimately total amount is how much? The 700 is also given in the sum. So this is how you have to conclude the answer. Thank you children. See you in the next class.